such a jump scare.
Why did Ryan mug me?
Yo, what's up, dude? Good, now it can be funny.
Hey, Charlie.
Why'd you mug me?
I just felt like it. You know, like one of those such sudden urges.
Your intrusive voice going. It's alright.
What are you talking about?
If you weren't here before, then you don't get to know.
He's not going
He's not gonna plant. No.
My team actually helped instead of shooting each other and then standing around. That's okay.
No,
Yeah,
he's
it's
just
a game, you know?
Even
Oh, like I shot my teammate to make it even.
Just,
I,
jeez,
I killed one guy, but the other guy got the jump. Or I killed two guys, but the third guy got the jump on me, which is okay.
Alright, everyone on my team, if you can afford it next
I
time.
kind of feel bad for the one guy I killed that I just...
You guys take this. Like, you don't have to take it seriously. It's a video game, but like, don't goof around as much.
I'm sorry for calling you a bitch and shooting you in the head. But let's be honest, you wouldn't have done it.
Love you, come on, bro.
Oh. Let's go shoot all over these men. One bomb, dude.
Why did you stick with me?
Yeah. Yeah,
You guys
did.
I could have cut better distraction, guys. Oh well.
Yo, everyone know what it's like to be blind deaf? Helen Keller bomb. Now let's go. Let's shoot all over these men. Together. Whee!
You guys still alive?
Yeah, they're planting on our left. They just-
Alright, it's okay. There's still hope. We can still do this. You guys just have
See if
to
I can do with that JFK.
put in effort. Actually, the guy who killed JFK used iron sights. He didn't know how this goes.
Lost my croc. No.
Oh, great. Good job.
Yeah.
So, let's get another one of those going.
It was great. I know I'm great. You don't have to tell me.
Yup. So we couldn't do this. If you have a bomb, there's no reason.
You're great.
Dude walking up the steps, I'm behind you. Wait for me to cover you. I'll go with you.
I was talking to him, he tried running away. So they know we're here, by the way. He alerted me, so...
I don't think you were talking to me, so I'm going in.
We
Oh, how you guys like my Reaper cosplay? Hey Tom, can I ask you a question? Did I make a funny?
I missed my shot. Daffy, I thought you were cracked. Like that. Like, is this even fair at this point?
What was he trying to do there?
Hey Duffy, trust me, trust me. You should join the enemy team. Like, totally, do not make it easier for us.
Fuck, I talent tolerate him.
Oh shit.
No, I have no armor.
Well, today must be September 11th. I'm gonna scream Allah Akbar.
Since I'm in the UK, I always thought 9/11 was on the 9th of November.
I don't wanna die for Christmas. There is.
Oh shit!
Who was singing?
This guy's gonna kill all of us.
Shouting at me, man. What was that? What?
Sorry that I was just
Tom, I'm scared of living hell. Please, Tom, join our team. Duffy scares me. Please, Tom, Duffy scares me. He's way too strong. Like Duffy, he managed to kill Charlie and Onslaught, two of the best players I know.
I just want you for my own. More than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. Sorry, I'm in my Mariah Carey era. I'm totally slaying, though. I'm, like, actually such a pogger. I'm a pog champ. Don't really say his Halloween costume as we go by.
Scared. Please.
Whose little kid is playing on a cat piano?
That would be me.
That is
Is it the cat piano? Oh.
Sorry, it's always you.
I'm going in with knives. I'm gonna be stealthy wealthy. Let me just quickly get my sniper. Let me get down on my knees. This is my natural position. Bro couldn't handle it when I was on my knees.
Hey Duffy, we are best friends, right? Can you please
you back.
I just like to say, I don't know why, but my
Way
music
to pick
wasn't
up the
loaded.
sacred
It just
sniper
kind of
rifle.
didn't shoot.
Wow, you really couldn't handle when I was on my knees. I even shot all over your back.
No,
Duffy, I will give you £20 if you shoot Tom in the face.
Yes.
Kill
20
Tom.
pounds?
Kill
That's a lot
Tom.
of cheeseburgers.
You remember me, man? You from data center, yeah? We're friends.
Yeah, Duffy, we are good friends.
Oh,
Oh, where are you so
There's no way this man solo 2 other. Oh god.
it's Orca man.
20 pounds. Where are you getting all those
Um,
cheeseburgers, McDonald's?
I'll give you £50 to take down all the
What?
Oh, bro, that kind of remind me of this funky little song that went like.
It's a fun gun to do.
No.
Ah, I fucked him in the butthole.
If you just...
Why did I get team killed?
Why did I get team killed?
Why are you trying to report me? Or why are you trying to kick me?
I'm not.
Report him, bro.
I did absolutely nothing.
What's the little kid's username? I want to fucking report him. For
That
hacking.
kid, I think that's it's Caleb.
Kill yourself.
Trying to spam